Hi you guys, welcome back to another video with me, India, whatever you want to call me. Y'all, I'm trying to figure out like an intro that I can say. You know how people have intros to like their videos? I need one. I really want to get something that I can say in every video, like a cute little intro. I gotta work on it. But anyways, welcome back. Today I'm doing a really quick short video on a certain hairstyle. Sorry if y'all can hear that, or if y'all could hear that in the back. That was like this little heater, because as you can see I'm in a different room at my dad's house in Milwaukee, Wisconsin right now. I've been everywhere, I feel like, but this is where I am right now. Back to the video. I'm doing a quick short tutorial on a hairstyle because recently I have my hair in this hairstyle and I posted like a video of me or whatever, and this girl slid up and was like, how did you do that? Or like she asked me if I had a video on how I did that, specifically on my frontal, because I guess she said she was having trouble with doing it on her frontal specifically. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do the half up, half down bang hairstyle on a frontal and how I achieved that. And y'all, when it comes to like wigs and stuff, I like doing different hairstyles because whatever you can do on normal hair, you can do on a wig. Like I just like experimenting with different hairstyles and stuff. I want to put like some pictures of different hairstyles I've done on wigs because I really like trying different things. Anything you can do with real hair, you can do with a wig. If you put your mind to it and you really try, you can do it. You don't have to limit yourself to just wearing it down or, you know, the basic hairstyles. You can do whatever you want to with your wig. So today we are doing that hairstyle, and as you can see, my hair is just down. If you can see some of my lace, don't worry about me, okay? It ain't laid down all the way, but it'll do for now. And I don't have a mirror, so I'm literally just looking into this. We'll see how this goes. But I have all my hair products here, so we're just gonna get started. Yeah, so the first thing I do for this hairstyle is obviously, you know, I'm starting off with like my hair semi-laid, edges done, whatever, so I don't really have to do that much work, but just make sure you at least start out with combed hair. And I recommend your lace to be like down for this, you know, because some people, I don't know, just be ready. That sounded so stupid, but okay. Just make sure your hair is laid down, combed out, ready to go. Alright, so boom. And you can do this with a middle part, side part, whatever. And the first thing I do for this hairstyle, you obviously want to part your hair wherever you're gonna part it. My hair is already parted on the side. That's where I want it parted. And next, we're going to part out the bang. So it doesn't really matter where you put your bang. Like it just depends on how much hair you want to have out. Like I said, I don't have a mirror, so I'm really just winging this. But I'm just gonna part out a piece for my bang, and I'm not really, I can barely see this. I'm gonna try my best. If it looks stupid, I'm sorry. But yeah, I typically just do kind of like a rounded part. It don't even have to be perfect, y'all. It really don't. But so this is gonna be my bang, and it low-key looks like a lot, but ooh, y'all, if I did my hair in a bang like this and then have the hair cute, but that ain't what we doing today. Maybe I'll do my hair like that later. But okay, so you're gonna part your bang out, and I don't even have a clip, so I'm just gonna put this scrunchie on here. Terrible. Oh my gosh. No, we're not gonna do that. Let me go get a clip. All right, so I got my clip. I'm just gonna twist this little piece up and clip it down for a second. And literally, it's so easy, y'all. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now we have to work on the half up, half down part. And I don't even really necessarily use a comb. I literally just take my fingers and part with my fingers. And you know, with wigs, your frontal stops at a certain point. I don't be caring about none of that. I just part my hair, and however it looks is how it's gonna look. I don't really care. Because honestly, at the end of the day, the hair that you put up in a ponytail could cover whatever is going on in the back. So ultimately, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I just take my fingers, grab the hair that I want to put up, and you can even leave like a little piece out here if you want to be cute and fancy, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I'm just feeling for it, taking what feels like it's halfway, and I'm parting that. So once I get that up, this is what it looks like. A little bit crazy. So we're gonna take our wide tooth comb again, or whatever comb you have, brush out the back, and then we're gonna begin to brush up the front. And to help me with this, I usually grab my Nairobi. I love Nairobi. I use it for everything, literally. But I just take this. Like I said, I can't really see, but oh, okay. I take this and I just literally put it everywhere. Alright, now I'm gonna take a finer comb and start to comb up and like shape the hair into the ponytail. And like my hair was just down, so the Nairobi, the foam, is just helping me move the hair in the direction that I need it to go. If that makes sense. And like I said, I don't know what the back looks like right now, and I don't care, because this ponytail is gonna cover it, hopefully. And ain't nobody worried about the back anyway. But okay, so once I have this ponytail, to secure it, I'm gonna use a rubber band, just a regular black rubber band, and I'm gonna tie it around my hair or the ponytail like 3 times. It don't have to be necessarily super tight, because it's just not necessary. And boom, there's the ponytail. You can make it as high or as low as you want it to. And a lot of people, you know how people like take a piece of hair, wrap it around the base so you can't see the ponytail holder? I would do that, but you know, y'all fine. It's okay. It's okay. But alright. So that's the ponytail. Now that we have the ponytail, I'm just gonna take the clip out from that, comb the bang in the direction that I want the bang to go, and boom, we got a half up, half down bang ponytail. And depending on however your hair is, let me just show y'all what it's looking like. Let me show y'all the back so I can show y'all that it don't really look crazy. All right, that's the back. Hopefully y'all saw that. I don't know if y'all saw that, but boom. So you can do whatever. You can keep it straight, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want. You could leave it like this. Either way is cute. I typically curl it because I like this hairstyle with curls. I think it's really cute. So I'm not gonna stop here. I'm actually gonna go off camera really fast and curl the hair, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with this curl once the look is all together, just so y'all can get the gist of the finished look. But that was all the hard work. Now you just have to straighten it or do whatever you want to do to it. It's literally that easy, y'all. As y'all can see, it didn't take that much effort, it didn't take that long. So I'm gonna curl it and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All right, bye. All right, y'all, again, if you hear that in the background, it's this heater. I'm sorry, but I just curled the hair. This is what it looks like. I didn't do super tight or small curls. I curled in pretty big sections. I just curled the back section and then the ponytail part and then the bang. So it's kind of like loose curls, but this is what it looks like. This is the hairstyle. Like I said, it's super easy. It didn't take much work, much effort. This is the wig that I was wearing in my last video, the Love Me wig. So again, shop with them. Use my code. I believe it's eTaylor20. Get you some money off when you shop with them. Help me help you. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope somebody found this helpful. And yeah, also stay tuned for my next video, because my next video is gonna be a good one. I've been thinking and planning literally just today, but just stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be personal, so make sure you stay tuned. And to ensure that you are plugged in with me, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. Like this video, comment anything, and definitely share and subscribe. Of course, subscribe. We're on the road to, I don't want to say 3K, I want to say on the road to 5K now. So yeah, that was it for this. I'll see y'all in the next one. Like I said, stay tuned. Dropping some bangers soon, so stay tuned. Bye.